In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Inkscape on Windows 11 step by step. If you want a powerful, completely free vector graphics editor for creating logos, illustrations, SVG files, or even YouTube thumbnails, Inkscape is one of the best options available. I'll walk you through downloading the correct version, installing it properly, and launching it for the first time. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, type inkscape.org and press enter. This will take you to the official Inkscape website. Always make sure you download software from the official website to avoid viruses or modified versions. Once you're on the home page, click on the Download button. You'll be redirected to the Download section. Now look for the option that says Windows Installer Package with the .msi extension. Click on that link to start the download. Your browser will begin downloading the Inkscape installer file. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Locate the file named something like Inkscape followed by the version number and ending in .msi. Double-click on this file to begin the installation process. The Inkscape setup window will now appear. Click Next to continue. You'll see the license agreement and installation options. In most cases, you can leave the default settings as they are. Click Next again if prompted, and then click Install to begin installing Inkscape on your Windows 11 PC. Windows may ask for administrator permission. If you see a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow the installation. The setup will now install all required files. This may take a minute or two, so just wait for it to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Inkscape should now be installed on your system. To open it, click on the Start menu and type Inkscape in the search bar. When you see Inkscape appear in the results, click on it to launch the application. When Inkscape opens for the first time, you'll see the main workspace with a blank canvas in the center and toolbars on the sides. That means the installation was successful and you're ready to start creating vector graphics. And that's it. You've successfully installed Inkscape on Windows 11. As you can see, the process is very straightforward when you download it from the official website and follow the setup steps carefully. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.